I think we have one last question from the audience, then we move on to our next topic and we will discuss the subscapularis at the end of the session.
I have a question to Dr. Diego Gomez. In this case, you showed how you thought about the first time aborting bone, and the second time the Christian is protesting, or ever you go in the first time when the Christian, you have a big bone defect in the leg.
Well, one of the beauty of the customized is precisely avoiding two steps. Of course, in some situations you can use it, and when I started with this procedure, I always had bone there, because if something went wrong with the customized, you still have bone and you can put screws and you have like an exit plan. But if everything is okay with the customized, I would not use a first step of bone block and then a new procedure.
And you have this line in your hospital?
Yes, we do have, but you can use the rest as well. It's difficult, but
if you haven't got the option, you use, for example, autologous bone.
Yeah, I don't have experience with such big defects. I don't know if somebody else in the panel has. I think iliac crest, like Tom Norris procedure works, but for big defects, I don't know if it works that well. If you can do something better than that, what do you think, Fernando?
Well, we're doing a lot of this type of prosthesis. One concern is the cost. I think the cost is too high, at least the ones that we are using now. The other thing is that we can solve the problem of those bone losses of the glenoid that are really big. We think the fixation of the glenoid is very good, and we are happy with that, but we don't know if the function is going to be as good as we expected that it would be if we had gained this fixation and materialization of the center of rotation. We will see in a few years how it's going to be. So we can have to